Jamb 2012 Economics Past Question 26. A discriminatory monopoly is characterized by option A says a common elasticity in different markets. B. Different elasticities in different markets. C. A finite elasticity in all markets. D. Zero elasticity in all markets. It's a single entry. A discriminatory monopoly is a single entry. It's a single entity that changes different prices. Typically, those that are not associated with the cost to provide the products or services for different consumers. By catering to each type of customers, the monopoly makes more profit. So option D, we say zero elasticity in all markets, is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.